Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this food dehydrator that I got. It's a great product. I highly recommend these. They're really nice. This one's a nice industrial one. I love it. The fan in the back does come out for you to clean the back, so it's really easy on both sides. It does have these handles if you need to lift it and transport it somewhere. It comes with two little containers for you to save your food, whatever you're using. Then it has these little handles too to help you touch the trays because sometimes they are hot. These are cooling racks, so these are really nice. They're non-slip. And inside this, it has like a locking, so you would go like this, and it's a safety lock, so that way it won't open. So you have to open that to open it. And then you have a lot of trays. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trays. And then on the bottom, you have the one, like if any juices come, it'll fall onto there. So really nice. These easily come out, so you can easily fill all of it if you want. You could just use some, however you want. But this is really nice, and it does come with a little cookbook so you can see the different types of things that you can do, and gives you some recipes on how to do it, how to cut your fruits, certain types and stuff. Dried grapefruit, mango, blueberries, passion fruit. You can even do passion fruit, which is really cool. Fish skin, vegetables, pork, like you could do like beef jerky and stuff, so this is really cool. Chicken, what else? Duck, salmon, I mean so many, and this is really cool because it gives you a way to do that. Even honeysuckles you can do, cucumbers, I mean ginger, anything you can imagine you can dry in this, and it's really good. Dried fruit is amazing. And the dehydrator works great, easy to operate. You just turn it on and off up here, temperature, time, and over here it even has like a quick dehydrating guide, so it tells you more or less like herbs, flour, yogurt, vegetables, fruit rolls, meat, fish, and jerky. It tells you more or less the temperature that you should put it on. So it's a great product. I'm gonna go ahead and freeze dry some apples and bananas because my kids love it. And I'll show you how great and how easy it is to do. So highly recommend this product, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.